Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device, they will eventually slow down the work of your device. So what you can do about it is to close them all just in one click by opening the Recents section. You can open it by holding your finger on the home button. Here you can see all of your opened apps. They will eat a lot of your random access memory of your device, which will slow down its work. So what you have to do about it, just tap on this button here and close them all and clear your phone's memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.